Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 117 Pearl Street North in beautiful West Hamilton. This home has been renovated from top to bottom. Let's take a closer look at what this home has to offer. Soaring ceilings on the first and second floor with pot lights and beautiful crown molding. Two electrical panels with 200 amp service. 2 gas furnaces and 2 central air conditioning units, 2 laundry, exposed brick, rooftop patio, four plus one bedrooms, three full bathrooms with heated floors, all new hot and cold water lines, all plumbing drains, all ductwork, and all new gas lines. Thank you for visiting us at 117 Pearl Street North in West Hamilton. If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you'd like to buy or sell your property in West Hamilton, please give me a call. My name is Mark Woehrle. I can be reached at 905-512-1846. Looking forward to your call.